everyone, and welcome to this show. This is the show where we have contestants, and they try to compete against each other to see how weird they can really be. First, this is our first contestant, Mr. Sir. Mr. Sir, what are you going to be doing today? Papa, chomp chomp chomp. Our next contestant is Billy Bob Bob Bob. Let's see what they have to say. Let's all go to the meatball concert. Let's go insane. Let's eat our brain. So put me now in your hammy ham shredder. Cover me in cheesy cheddar. That's always better than mozzarella. Our next contestant is Indrid Cold. What does he have to say?